All right, welcome to the Bitcoin Radio Network. It is Friday. That's right, it's the weekend, baby. And I'm Crypto Famous. We've got a lot to cover today. Yes, that's right, marijuana currency. That's right, right now, 2018. That's right, you're going to be able to use marijuana as a currency. We're going to talk about that today as well. You guys stay tuned. This is going to be one awesome hour of news on Friday. All right, welcome back. And today we got a lot to talk about. First of all, we're going to start out with our comment generator here. And Georgie, he says, I'm not going to give up early. Keep up the good work, buddy. You know we are. We're not going to give up either. We fight and fight strong every single day. We're going to break through the algorithms here on a Bitcoin Radio Network. We got Media 1.3 doing some work on the back end, so never fear. It's going to change very soon. So, guys, just keep a lookout for that as well. All right, Crypto Nikki, Bitcoin or Bitcoin Cash, which coin is in the vision of Satoshi's Nakamoto? Okay, well, I personally think it's Bitcoin. That's what he created. I know he wanted it to be used like Bitcoin Cash. However, the technology wasn't there quite when he designed it. However, I think Bitcoin Cash, it's a 50-50 decision. You got people out there that say Bitcoin Cash was the decision. It's more usable. It's user-friendly. So it just depends on where you stand. Some people are completely against Bitcoin Cash. And then again, some people are for it. Same with Bitcoin itself. And I understand the limitations that Bitcoin has. But again, Bitcoin continues to carry the dominance in the cryptocurrency market. So with that being said, we're going to jump into news. We're starting this out early today. I know if anybody's catching us up, hit us over at the YouTube channel. And if this is your first time on our YouTube channel, well, welcome. We are the Bitcoin Radio Network, BNN, Bitcoin News Network, a Media 1.3 production. Hit the like button down there, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you know when we go live every day. All right, we'll be right back after this.
BRN, Bitcoin Radio Network.
All right, we are back. Now, yes, that's right. The title is right. Marijuana as a currency. Biz High Times uses cryptocurrency in regular raise. Let's see. Check out this right here. So some of you guys out there might like to drink. Some of you guys might smoke pot. Some of you might be on medical marijuana and you have to smoke the marijuana, or you might be on a cannabinoid or something like that. Whatever it is, they're finding more positive usage out of this plant, and especially from the cousin of it, the hemp plant, is completely used. Our Constitution in the United States was originally written on hemp paper. So that goes to show you guys how usable this plant is. And if you ask me, this is the creator's favorite plant because it does so many good things. It can heal bodies. I mean, it can be food, clothing, everything you need in one plant. That's how the creator works. All right, so let's jump into this and find out how marijuana is going to be used as a currency. All right, High Times. All right, the marijuana magazine turned media business has been undergoing a radical transformation since the investor group led by Adam Levin acquired it about a year ago. Now, High Times has announced a string of accusations, mostly competing marijuana applications and publications, and expansions in the booming cannabis sector. And we see that all over the United States, Canada, other places in the world. Israel is one of the leaders in using cannabis as medical. So, yeah, and now America has got so many states that this is legal in. So a lot of good things we're actually seeing out of this. Whenever our government at one time told us that this is a Schedule 1, it's worse, it's as bad as heroin, it's this, it's that, don't do it. If you do it, you're going to jail, you're going to be a criminal, you're going to suck for the rest of your life. Boy, weren't them suckers wrong? That just goes to show you that the government is not always right. That's a fact. Because now they're changing their song and dance now. And is it just to gain the capital gain off of the taxes? Or is it because there is a true healing factors in this medicine, especially cancer, HIV, things like that? People, they use it. All right. Now, it has added a high-profile board, subscribers such as the former Mexican president, Vincent Fox, and now the company is checking off even more boxes in the game in the media tech buzzword bingo. For the past 6 weeks, the parent company, High Times Holding Company, the HTHC, for the short, get it? All right, has been selling shares to investors through regular A+ and the SEC's equity crowdfunding rules. The HTHC has carried out what the SEC calls a mini IPO, raising required capital before the public offering is expected later this year. And that's on the NASDAQ right there. The company said that more than 1,000 people have already bought $7 million worth, several $1 million worth of its shares through the regular A+ process. Today, HTHC announced that it would make those purchases even easier, allowing buyers to use popular cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, Ethereum to pay for shares. As a company, we looked at all venues for raising money. Levin said, from entrepreneurs' perspective, one has to look out for the growth in cryptocurrency, the initial coin offerings, and can be aware of it. But we weren't sure if it was the right path for us necessarily. We believe that we are using many of the best elements in both approaches, now accepting cryptocurrency. That's right. Yes, the company is still taking the good old fiat currency as well from willing buyers. And even cryptocurrency transactions will be handled by a third-party clearinghouse, Fund America, in much the way the traditional credit card purchases are handled for millions of merchants every day. But opening these share sales to the two most prominent cryptocurrency offers several possibilities and advantages, Levin said. It makes the process less complicated, that's for sure. We know cryptocurrency is very easy. Transactions made, it's verified, booyah. It's in your account, it's done. There's no middleman grabbing all the money. So that's the nice thing about that. All right, and it's just so much, it's less complicated. It's point of sale, done. All right, I got it. All right, and for some international buyers, and let's say it's given the many banking headaches facing most of the cannabis-related companies because conflicting state and federal regulations. All right, the cryptocurrency can sidestep the other problems facing some in the sector. Besides, Levin said the approach might also build bridges with like-minded and even more buzzy community technological investors. All right, we thought this was a hybrid approach of some sort where we can allow the coin investor to invest in High Times and allow us to embrace a community that we think shares some of the same worths that the High Times has had for the last 40 years. And that's your take right there on the cannabis becoming a currency. Is it possible? Is it stepping in? We already see Potcoin. There's a couple of smoke coin or smoke token or something out there. There's a couple of them already out there that are in place getting ready to use this. Now High Times is jumping in and looks like there's going to be some stuff to be done out there. So if you guys are into this right here, check it out, right? All right, that's my take on the marijuana gig for you today. Blessings to everybody out there, and hope the people that are using it, this stuff actually helps you and cures you. That's my take on that right there. All right, let's go over here to the next one. Uh-oh, we got everything missing at the top. All right, let's see. Oh, there you go. All right, so it's been a good day. It's Friday. It's the weekend, baby. Yeah, I'm going frisbee golfing. Yeah, that's right. I'm going disc golfing right after the show. It's why we're doing the show early today, because we've got a bunch of guys. We're going to go over and throw some frisbee discs and have a good time and relax into the beautiful nature along these courses. They're absolutely amazing. All right, Bitcoin, Squares, cryptocurrency, profits double in Q2. All right, so we're going to talk about that. Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies may have continued to endure the bear market during the second quarter of 2018, but that did not stop digital payments firm Square from tracking a 100% increase in BTC profit over Q1. All right, now Square, which added Bitcoin trading to its peer-to-peer payments app toward the end of last year, reported in its unaudited quarterly financial statement that it introduced that it brought in approximately 37 million in Bitcoin revenue over the 3-month period. 37 million over the 3-month period. Woo! Can I get a hallelujah? Because that right there is awesome, because that's what we want to see. And once these reports get out, people, the nice thing about all this is, you know what's going to happen. The next door neighbor is going to say, hey, I have a business, and if that guy can do 37 million, I sure would like to add that business, because that's an additional income that you're bringing into your business, people. Smart business. Why not? You bring in 37 million, that's 37 extra million that you wouldn't get from the fiat customers necessarily. Maybe you would, maybe you wouldn't. But it's definitely nice revenue to bring home. Bitcoin revenue over the 3-month period and ending in June 30, most of the revenue was used to purchase the flagship cryptocurrency behalf of customers. However, the Square reported that the cryptocurrency brokerage service made a net quarterly profit of $420,000 on those commission-free trades. Nevertheless, the profit figure is double just what the firm made in its cryptocurrency trading service in quarterly one. As BNN reported, Square brought in 34 million in Bitcoin revenue during the first quarter, netting a profit of approximately 200,000. Square CEO Jack Dorsey said that he believes Bitcoin is a transformational technology that could become a one world currency within a decade. However, discussing Square's quarterly efficiency in the earnings called on Wednesday, the CFO, Sarah Ferrari, downplayed the role of cryptocurrency in the firm's suite of products and services. It's not the major monetization engine, she said, but the goal is to continue to drive the utility in the Cash App. All right. Whew, that was loud. Sorry about that. All right, we have some spread in there to allow the fact that Bitcoin is volatile. And Ferrari added, we're not trying to push on the monetization of Bitcoin today. Nevertheless, Dorsey has recommended that the firm may integrate cryptocurrency into more of its products in the future. And Bitcoin for us is not stopping at buying and selling. He said during the conference call earlier this year, we do believe that this transformational technology for our industry, and we want to learn it as quickly as possible. Why? You do not want to get left in the past. I mean, it's kind of like using one of them rail counters, you know, that people used to use to count money. Little things that had the hoops on them, and they would slide them up and down or across. We used them as kids, right? Well, now you got a calculator. So what are you going to do? You're going to use one of them type of things. You're going to use a calculator. You're going to use that money What are you going to use, an old cash register machine? You know, come on, let's get with the technology here. It's coming into Bitcoin. Everybody sees it, just like I announced it before. Bitcoin is the one world currency, and it's knocking on the doorstep harder than ever. And I'll tell you what, you're going to start using it, so you might as well get involved now and start learning the ins and outs of it now so that you can profit from it big when that actually does take care. Earlier this year, Square received a BIT license from the New York Department of Financial Services, growing to be one of the small but growing number of companies allowed to facilitate cryptocurrency trading in the state. If you don't know, New York's got a big clampdown on trading in the state, and it's very limited to what you can do. I mean, they got a lockdown pretty tight in New York. So if you're in New York, there's only so much that you can do over the internet there. They've got a lot of it blocked down. If you use your New York address, they just cut you off right then and there. All right, millions of web stores can now accept cryptocurrencies through Coinbase. I tell you, there are millions, not even just 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or 20, 30. We are talking millions. Coinbase announcements are dropping faster than the exchange hacks these days. And it's just released a brand new plug that makes cryptocurrency way easier for countless of websites. The new plugin, spotted by the Daily Hodl, enables WooCommerce web stores to accept major cryptocurrencies directly into a user-controlled Coinbase wallet. WooCommerce web stores are powered by WordPress, who claim that they claim that 28% of the internet's online stores are using it for their business, but it is likely to be closer to the 40% mark. All right, the plugin is a part of what Coinbase is calling the Open Financial System, peer-to-peer payment network. All right, for cryptocurrency. Users are only communicating with each other, and buyers send funds directly from their personal wallet to the seller, leaving no room for additional fees. That's what we like. All right, when customers send money from their cryptocurrency wallet, it's sent directly to the merchant's controlling cryptocurrency address and processed on a chain by the representative of the blockchain. All right, our respective blockchain reads the release. This means the merchants never have to pay a transactions fee to accept payments and continually remain in their complete control of their funds. You never have to worry about the bank or anybody heisting your stuff. That's the nice thing. All right, stores can now accept crypto payments by including a small button on their WordPress page. For now, just Bitcoin and Litecoin can be accepted. Coinbase says Ethereum and Bitcoin Cash are coming soon for a time frame yet to be specific. They're going to tell us later, all right? Getting tongue-tied here. All right, so that's our news on that right there, guys. We're going to go take a quick commercial, and don't go nowhere because we've got our video commercials. All right, we're going to try to make this work seamlessly. I hope so. We'll see you back right after this.
Crypto Coffee, the first specialty coffee made exclusively for the crypto trading community. 100% Colombian coffee beans, artisan roasted in Hutchinson, Minnesota. So good, you won't live without it.
I love it.
Price $19 for a 12-ounce bag, plus shipping. To order, go to www.bitcoinradionetwork.io. Go. Click on the banner and enjoy.
Have you heard of New York Coin? The best kept secret in crypto. Lightning fast transactions with real world use. Worldwide. No network fees and easy. Low difficulty mining too. All with a current market cap under $15 million. Meet NYC. NewYorkCoin.net.
BRN, all systems ready.
Bitcoin activated. Blockchain activated. Ethereum activated. Litecoin activated.
All systems ready for launch.
3, 2, 1.
You're listening to the Bitcoin Radio Network, #1 in cryptocurrency.
welcome back, welcome back. I'm trying to find the on button to my microphone there. All right, so welcome back, welcome back. All right, Bitcoin Radio Network. I hope you guys enjoyed them. Our team has been working pretty hard just to get a few of them done. We got about 3 or 4 more commercials coming, so we'll be alternating them so you guys don't get bored with the same things. We'll run them for a month or two, and then we'll switch them up. So every couple of months, you guys will get to see a new set of commercials here at the network. All right, manage your cryptocurrencies for less than $30 with a lifetime subscription. Oh, to what is it? CryptoZilla. All right, so you can go over to CryptoZilla, get a lifetime subscription right here today. We're going to talk about that. Cryptocurrency is becoming more fashionable by the days, and scores new traders are jumping on the bandwagon. All right, for these newcomers, the services like Coinbase is appealing because it simplifies the complex process of buying and selling cryptocurrency. But after spending some time with it, most trades come to realize that Coinbase has issues, and it charges hefty fees for every transaction. Its website crashes frequently, and the customer service leaves a lot to be desired. So we all know about the ins and outs of what's going on at Coinbase, but it is probably the best one out there right now and the most popular. I don't know if it's the best one, but it's the most popular one out there. And if you're doing trades from Coinbase, directly from Coinbase, oh, if you're sending money from there over to there to here to here, no, you don't know. You got to check out GDAX. It's the same company. Coinbase is owned by GDAX. It's the same company. So send your money over to GDAX and then send your money out of GDAX to wherever you're doing. It's cheaper on the transaction rate for you. So if you don't know it, YouTube it. There's 100 videos out there about GDAX and Coinbase. All right, this time is ripe for the easy-to-use alternative Coinbase that works on noobs and veterans alike. CryptoZilla just might be the answer. To get a lifetime subscription to this yet a powerful service for just $29.99 during this sale. This is a lifetime subscription. I don't know if this is a $29.99 for one-time deal for everything. I don't know. You have to go over to CryptoZilla, CryptoZilla, combines all the tools that you'll need to keep pace with the crypto market in one secure interface. No matter which exchange you're trading on and what coins you are following, CryptoZilla's multiple exchange supports all. Your key information is close at hand. All right, you can monitor your coin performance, exit the market with a click, and maximize your day trading success of up to the minute condition settings, including a stop loss. Now that's pretty cool. You got to get your stop loss and your trailing stops. They're always nice to have on there. I've only seen a few exchanges with them out there right now. And the one cancels the other orders, and that's nice as well. With your membership, you'll enjoy unlimited access with lots of fees crippling your high volume trading. Since CryptoZilla is a downloadable desktop app, you won't have to deal with the lagging and downtime of web-based solutions. Unleash your full crypto trading potential with a lifetime subscription normally valued at $2,340. It's now reduced to just $29.99. Holy smokes, did you just tell me you just dropped $2,000? You dropped more. That's a good savings right there. So if you like this, and this is good for you and your investment portfolio and everything that you got going on, definitely go over, take a look at CryptoZilla. Maybe it'll work out for you. Maybe. All right, let's go over to the next one here. And looks like we got cryptocurrency deals receive increased scrutiny by the SEC. All right, we know that Wall Street remains regulatory is boosting its scrutiny of the brokerages that deal in cryptocurrencies, according to the two people familiar with the matter. The current sign that authorities want to know more about is the burgeoning market that they fear might be full of misconduct. All right, well, when you got the wild, wild west and there's no regulations, you're going to have a little bit of that going on out there. So, but it's gonna happen. I mean, especially if it becomes a one world currency, yeah, you know it's going to happen. Our brokerages have been prepared in the recent weeks with questions from the Securities and Exchange Commission's examiners about their businesses and practices and how they deal with clients, according to one of the people who requested not to be, to not be they wanted to stay anonymous. That's all. All right, and among other things as well, the SEC is seeking specific information about fees generated from trading financial and initial coin offerings. The agency is also gathering data on funding advisors in the involvement of another person said. All right, the cryptocurrencies have gotten increasingly the attention in the past year from regulators, including the SEC Chairman Jay Clayton, who said he believes the ICO market is rife with fraud. It's kind of a tongue twister there too. All right, the agency enforcement unit has sued the firms that it says violated the security laws through the coin offerings, and Bloomberg News has reported that the Justice Department lawyers have opened a criminal probe into whether dealers are manipulating the price of Bitcoin and other digital currencies as well. All right, it's predominantly smaller brokerage firms that deal with virtual tokens. No Wall Street bank currently trades cryptocurrencies, and the SEC review being led by the Office of Compliance and Inspections and Examinations follows a request seeking the information from Fed HUDs about how these price digital investments come as industry self-regulatories like the Financial Industry Regulatory Authority in the nation's Future Association. Whew. Wow. Another member companies question a member about companies, about their dealings in cryptocurrencies, and they're trying to understand the whole ecosystem. Mr. Jacobs, an exclusive director of Georgetown University, the Center of Financial Markets and Policy, said to the regulators' inquiries they're still wrestling with how to make sure that an organized, efficient marketplace out of this. All right, Natalie Storm, a spokeswoman for Clayton, declined to comment. The OCIE's primary function is conducting examinations with a goal of protecting investors and ensuring the market's integrity. With the unit's inspectors spot signs of misconduct, they typically refer findings to the SEC Enforcement Division for further scrutiny that can lead to formal investigations, fines, and other penalties when wrongdoing is found. The cryptocurrency and ICO markets have grown rapidly in the present. A number of risks for retail investors, the OCIE said in a February report dealing its exam priorities for this year. Areas for focus will include, among these other things, whether financial professionals maintain adequate controls and safeguards to protect their assets from theft and misappropriation. All right, to be sure, some brokers and money managers have reported their involvement to the regulators, have asked for the guidance to ensure they're complying with the law. Others have been less forthcoming, and the regulatory landscape is complicated by legal wrangling over which assets should be considered as securities under the SEC jurisdiction. Yeah, that's not my job. My job's just to report. I mean, if you guys want to know what a coin is, you call up the SEC and ask them, hey, what, is Bitcoin a security? If it's not a security. You don't need to go through all this licensing and all this garbage that's going on. If your token is considered a utility, you're good to go. If it's a security, you have to apply for a license and so forth. If you own an exchange, you might have to do that unless you go to countries where they're not so tough on it. in addition to asking brokerages about whether they've been involved with the ICOs and the SEC, has also been questioning firms over their clearing arrangements as well as employees and other in-house matters, one of the people said. FINRA, the frontline brokerage regulator overseen by the SEC, sent firms a notice last month and asking them to notify the agency if they get involved with digital assets. Wondering why they're wanting everybody to do that. NFA, the industry funded, regulated for derivatives industry, notified the Commodities Future Trading Commission last month that it plans to need that the firms dealing in cryptocurrency derivatives and cash markets to make additional disclosures. It seems to be transiting from where the house is on fire to incorporation, supervision, and intermediates, said Jeff Bandman, the principal at Bandman Advisors, whose clients include crypto firms. All right, so there you go. Now we've got this here. Next one here is, let's see, who launches this? All right, the Cold Wallet 2.0, ELLIPAL, launches a mobile-orientated cold wallet for cryptocurrencies. Here we go. Most of today's cold wallets are storage-orientated and the PC-connected, providing a little convenience, but the risks still exist. Cryptocurrency owners are pursuing the ideal to secure wallets on the market. For them, the ideal would be to secure daily trading tool that is mobile orientated, fully featured and multi-currency supporting, security and functionality and usability becoming the defining features of the next generation of cold wallets. All right, a group of talented blockchain experts from Hong Kong has officially launched a new wallet that ticks in all the boxes above. It's a mobile-orientated, fully highlighted cold wallet that supports trading. Same the ELLIPAL. I guess ELLIPAL. I guess I'm going to say that wrong. All right. I don't know where they get the names of these companies sometimes, but creativity is always great. All right, this is a start of the next generation cold wallet, replacing the old storage-orientated and PC-connected products. The Cold Wallet 2.0 will be becoming the essential tool for all cryptocurrency traders. The ELLIPAL Cold Wallet 2.0, connecting all individuals to the blockchain safely and conveniently. The name ELLIPAL comes from ELLI, an elliptic curve algorithm, the core technology of today's cryptocurrencies, and PAL partner. So now you know where that come from. ELLI is the thing on our trading, and PAL is to be a good pal. Provides users a one-stop mobile digital asset management service based on the secure cold wallet technology. All right, ELLIPAL is dedicated to connect every user to the blockchain. ELLIPAL Cold Wallet 2.0 features 1. The isolated piece of hardware to ensure the safety of cryptocurrencies. And ELLIPAL is a cold wallet. It's isolated from any online connections such as 4G, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and USB. The only way to exchange information between the wallet and ELLIPAL mobile app is through the QR codes. One-stop mobile app especially supports cryptocurrencies exchanges and trading. ELLIPAL app provides all functions that users need. In the app, users can look up market quotes and read news and make changes in payments and connect with other dApps. Currently, ELLIPAL is in cooperation with a decentralized exchange protocol or protocols, including LRC. All right, it has a unique cross-chain wallet protocol, and it supports multi-cryptocurrencies and for multi-chain. Elipal has created the Universe OCCW, the Open Cross-Chain Wallet method, which allows our wallets to support the multi-chain account systems and be multiple cryptocurrencies and multi-cryptocurrency ready. We believe this protocol will enable more devices to become more multifunctional wallets, thus makes the blockchain more accessible to average users. The fourth reason here is they are ready for the future of business worldwide. Today's cryptocurrency ecosystem is uplifting, and Ellie Wallet is just about ready to break into this. Well, there you go. So go check out your some Ellie Wallet. Maybe you want to pick one of them up and start using it. It looks like it's pretty cool. I'm Crypto Famous. We'll be right back after this station break. Don't go nowhere.
Crypto Coffee, the first specialty coffee made exclusively for the crypto trading community. 100% Colombian coffee beans, artisan roasted in Hutchinson, Minnesota. So good, you won't live without it.
I love it.
Price $19 for a 12-ounce bag, plus shipping. To order, go to www.bitcoinradionetwork.io. Go. Click on the banner and enjoy.
Have you heard of New York Coin? The best kept secret in crypto. Lightning fast transactions with real world use. Worldwide. No network fees and easy. Low difficulty mining too. All with a current market cap under $15 million. Meet NYC. NewYorkCoin.net.
BRN, all systems ready.
Bitcoin activated. Blockchain activated. Ethereum activated. Litecoin activated.
All systems ready for launch.
3, 2, 1.
You're listening to the Bitcoin Radio Network, #1 in cryptocurrency.
All right, welcome back. This is the Bitcoin Radio Network. A little music just tapped in there a little slow today. That's all right. I want to welcome you guys back. We got a final segment here, and we're going to be running a little bit shorter today. We got a lot of business to take care of over the weekend, and it's the weekend, baby. So I want to wish each and every one of you out there a very blessed, happy weekend. Get some rest, do some relaxation, go out, have some fun, get your mind off of the computer, get it out of cryptocurrency for a little bit, take a break, do something with the family, have some fun, go to a movie, do something fun. And then when you're ready to come back to crypto, it'll be ready for you and waiting for you. But success is knowing when to be able to stop and enjoy life. And until you can enjoy life, you're not successful. So just keep that in mind. All right, cryptocurrency. All right, changing the world of money as we know it. With Bitcoin falling to its lowest this year, one local cryptocurrency advocate says he's confident that the price will bounce back. Justin Capocino, Justin Capocina has been following the cryptocurrency world for quite some time now, and kind of started way back. I was probably around the late 2009, 2010, same time I entered into it, and it was a currency that I believed in, and it was essentially the play money at the time. He also says that after much research a few years later, he strongly believes that the medium of exchanges is the way the world is going. Everything is being done electronically, which is why he says he created the global exchange medium, GEM. All right, the Bitcoin is another alternative currency and are much more secure to transfer and a lot more secure than credit cards themselves. Financial advisor Hugh Johnson says while the world is moving more and more electronic medium, he doesn't think cryptocurrencies will be in its future. Really? That's funny. I think that there's a lot of flaws in so-called cryptocurrencies, which in my judgment prevent them effectively from becoming a currency. Johnson said, first of all, it's difficult for a cryptocurrency to become or to be listed and traded. That's just asinine. It is not. It just costs, minimum 3 Bitcoin. You can get listed and start trading. Our coin is the eco-driven, and we use certain implementations of proof for the stake that helps to fluctuate with the market correctly. And it also provides a viable proof of stake so that when the so we can fluctuate its growth by the people that hold it. All right, he also says that he hopes one day gem circulating globally, maybe even exchange them for actual dollar bills. Yeah, not interested in the dollar bills because I believe the dollar bills are going bye-bye very soon. If you believe that and you're a boss, put it in the comments today. Just say, hey, boss, I agree, man. The United States dollar is going down. And that's the weekend baby comment of today. All right, so the odds of that happening, of being approved as the ledger tender, are, in my judgment, extraordinarily remote, Johnson said. Johnson says he doesn't believe this cryptocurrency and others are long-lasting. Kaposia also said his faith in this growing means of exchange. So why would you own an exchange and then have no faith in cryptocurrencies and say that it's going nowhere at all? That doesn't look too good for your exchange there, buddy. So with that being said, let's go over here to the next one, because I sure don't know where it is. We already did that. Okay, I see you here. Okay, yeah, so he's digging up the next article here for us. And what are you guys going to do this weekend? Let me know what you're going to do in the weekend. Make sure you follow the boss comment today. And let me know what you're doing for the weekend. And we're going to have some giveaways. I'm working on it right now. Oh, you know what? I'm supposed to mention to you guys out there. I got to pull up my phone for this one. I just about forgot, and I want to mention it to you because it was mentioned to me as well. ShareDrops, www.sharedrops.io. Let's see here. I think they're doing a big share drop this, and he wanted me to announce it. He's a partner of ours over here. All right. Let's see here. Oh, geez, where is it? I should have prepared this a little bit on. Let's see. Moneta. REMONETA. Remoneta is opening their token sale back up and giving community members a 3-hour head start and over 100K. This is only for them, for the ShareDrop community. So if you're not a member of that, go jump on there, become a member of the ShareDrops. Number one, in ShareDrops, these guys actually give reward program for the ShareDrops. They don't keep hardly anything. So a lot of these ShareDrop companies are scams out there. ShareDrops.io, just the opposite. He's awesome. Go check him out. Sign up. Get some free tokens, guys. I think they're doing another one, and they're going to give away around 100K. And I think it's in just it might be going on right now. I think you got to get over there right now and hit that. If not, get over to ShareDrops.io. Sign up for their newsletter, and so that you can catch it whenever he does these airdrops, because I mean they're phenomenal. He's awesome, and the company, I know he's got a bunch coming up because we actually we're partners, so that we know what's going on. All right, so ShareDrops.io. All right, definitely a good company. Cryptocurrency miners are building their own electricity infrastructure. Hallelujah. I knew this was coming sooner or later, because you only pay the electric company for so long before you figure out how to do it yourself. Access to cheap electricity can make or break cryptocurrency mining operations and firms aligning themselves to strike it rich in the industry where delays can and will cost digital money. Let's see, where was digital money will do just about something to get it as soon as they can. All right, here we go. The latest move in the quest for the bargain basement kilowatts hours as quickly as possible, building out a local power grids with bespoke, bespoke electrical substations. The Canadian company DMG Blockchain is building what it hopes will be the fully functioning substation near the southern British Columbia town of Castlegar, which is electrified by hydropower. I've been telling you guys, hydropower is going to be the future in mining. Man, and just wait. I know somebody that's going to break into it as soon as they figure this out. And there's going to be a huge mining operation going on in the Ozark Mountains in the Ozarks. Let's just put it that way. Now, when I spoke to Stephen, who leads the corporate development for DMG over the phone, he stated to me that building the substation cost millions of dollars and has required a company to build its own access road to haul equipment to the site. All right, the goal to plug in the local power grid and have powered it and have it powered DMG's expanded mining operations by September. At the end of August, we'll go through the commissioning's process, where the utility will test everything as a complete substation and make sure that the town doesn't blow up when we flip the switch. All right, that's what he told me over the phone. And he also says here the industrial cryptocurrency mining is largely automated process of setting up hundreds of even thousands of computers to guess numbers all day long, and in hopes to finding a value that solves the block of the transaction data, adding it to the blockchain, and distributing the ledger that keeps track of everyone's digital coins. The miners receive the reward in the form of a new currency and user fees, making it potentially lucrative if you can find the electricity cheap enough to make a profit, usually far below the rate that residents are paying from their house. All right, there's a global rush to find the cheap energy and to set up shop as soon as possible in hydro-rich, power-rich Quebec, for example. So many miners have lined up to open mine operations that the power utility put, the thing on there? All right, on new applications and asked every energy board of guidance on how to proceed. All right, they said that the company is working closely with the local utility and has written approval for the project. When I reached out to the local utility, Castlegar spokesman declined to discuss specifics of the DNG project, since it does not discuss customers or potential customers' information without their consent, but noted that in the products of the nature, the company in question as facilitates the interconnections agreement. All right, the substation must also be approved by a professional engineer and licensed by the Providence. All right, there you go. There's your step right there, a little bit closer into cryptocurrencies right there, right here on the Bitcoin Radio Network. You know, it is Friday. Oh, I got a quick cough in that way. The mic's there. Oh, man. Woo. Sorry about that. Catching this little itch in my throat there. So, do apologize. But hey, check this out, guys. It's the weekend, and I want to let you guys know we are very excited to bring in. Well, I hope you guys like the new commercials. Let me know in the comments below. And we're very excited to be bringing in some new technology upcoming next week. So you guys definitely want to check us out. Share this video with a friend. Give it a thumbs up. Boom. You know, smash that thumbs up button. Hit the like button. That's right. And also, leave a comment in the section below so that we can communicate together and interact. I do leave comments and interact daily, so check us out. All right. And if you got time, go over to the BitcoinRadioNetwork.io and enjoy the news over there. And we will see you guys back here Monday. Stay classy out there, baby. It's the weekend, baby. Stay classy. Until Monday, I'm out of here.